everybody!
To another episode of Spill the Tea, Sis.
Oh, Lena, we gotta redo the intro now. Welcome to a little bit of my life. That is life.
Hi, it's Tia here.
Hey, hey! Morning! Yay! A little bit brighter.
Get the f away!
Let me make sure it's focused. Yeah. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Tia,
Jaslyn,
and Elena are back today with another video.
And me and Jaslyn are going to be doing different sides of Tia's face, and we're going to see who can do better.
Should we get this party
Do
started?
another episode of Spill the Tea, Sis. I'm going to start with this Rimmel Lasting Finish 24. Because
I'm using the CC illumination stuff.
so we're each doing it, and we'll use
Honestly,
that.
a little scared.
Oh my god, she looks like a cake. Oops.
I don't know what that means.
You look like powder.
It's a challenge, you dingus.
This foundation or concealer sucks. So I'm gonna use the don't know what it's called concealer. Yeah, looks great.
Sorry.
Can't see out of one of my eyes.
Okay, so now I'm going to do this super blendable blush. Is this from the Dollar Tree?
Makeup from the Dollar Tree is not okay.
Why do you
It gives you
both
cancer.
say that?
It's
My side
no,
of it.
it's powder. Okay, powder should not be that
I
dark.
am not that dark.
Now I'm using illuminating powder.
Oh no! Oh no!
Now I'm using this illuminating powder. My side already looks good.
Now I'm gonna go in with this Morphe palette.
So her highlights looking really good and on fleek. Draw in her brows. How is the tip of being brows is that less is
Oh
more.
no, I got foundation on you. Oh, that's so. Got me cracks.
One of your eyelashes fell off. So, one second.
If we go closer to the face, then we just can't see you guys as good.
That's okay. So,
Oh god.
as you can see, the highlighter is looking really good. What's that?
I have a pimple up there.
Now taking the shade Splendid and just blending that into the crease. Never, don't use too much black ever because then it'll overpower the look fast.
Smoky.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Can I smell it? Oh, yeah.
You can't take it back from me because you gave it to me.
I really don't really ever wear dark lip color.
Well, today
Okay.
Okay, so then
Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh no! I guess you're gonna have big lips.
I'm also doing the shade Aware.
Elena!
Did you just fart?
No.
Oh no! Jiggle, pop my hands.
Okay.
Hearing oh no while someone's doing your makeup is never a good sign.
Her foundation.
I have a date after this. No, I'm totally kidding.
To just build up the plaque.
The what?
It's on teeth.
Yeah, what? Elena.
Yes.
Okay.
This is just a whole new experience for me.
Your eyeshadow looks out of this world. Like it looks galaxy-like. Oh, so Jaslyn, what'd you do?
I don't really know, to be honest. Oh
Now
This is my good side, if it's any consolation.
Yeah, oh my
Elena
God.
got my good side, so she
yeah.
had an easier time to work with.
Use
Mine
this
doesn't.
quickly.
Am I ready for the club?
I need to use this quickly right now. Definitely not gonna
hungry.
get any friends at the club.
Oh god. Oh dear.
You're done, Jess?
No, I don't know.
She doesn't even know where to go with it. Are these the finished looks?
No.
So weird.
Elena.
I look like two different people.
Hey.
Look, it looks good.
I look like I'm coming home from the club before I even got to the club.
Okay. No. Stop.
Scared. No, I will do it.
Where's your...
Jocelyn, just you gotta show your face to the camera because you look so afraid. Why are you whispering that in my face?
I'm older than you.
Oh my god, I have the best ASMR.
So now I'm doing Tia's eyeliner.
Is this the eyeliner that I just bought?
Oh my god! It broke.
Just like
She's crying. It's my last $2, but I'll be okay.
$2.
I'm glad you all find that so amusing. Lena!
Elena, that was $2.
Girlfriend! What are you doing with eyeliner on my forehead?
Just wait.
What does it say? What does it say?
I won.
This is the finished look.
Looks great.
There's not much really to say about it. Thank you so much for watching this week's Spill the Tea. Now we're turning to ASMR. Okay.
I made it foggy.
Oh Lord. Okay. Bye friends. Thanks for being in the video. Bye. Bye. Did you have fun?
No.
Yeah.
Bye. I have no words.